Cases of COVID-19 popping up in school districts across green country as some students head back to class. What are schools doing to notify parents about positive cases? In tonight's Project Safe Schools, our very own Dane Hawkins goes to work for you to find out. Dane.
So whether schools start virtually or in person, the parent I spoke with said the way that schools handle reporting COVID-19 cases is how the community will push through and past this pandemic. Nicole Grafton has 2 kids starting school virtually this year.
I have 2 boys going to Tulsa Public School. One is going into 2nd grade and the other one is starting his first year at kindergarten.
And even though they'll learn from a distance for the first 9 weeks, she knows at some point they'll be back in an actual classroom.
But we would love for them to be back in school at week 10.
That's why she's keeping a close eye on other school districts that have started back in person.
Looking around at other districts and seeing what their numbers are doing and when they're increasing.
But Tulsa County Health Department Director Dr. Dart says it's really up to schools to report cases.
No, we get all of our positive cases from the laboratories who do the testing, and they're required to report to us. Schools are not.
Another concern for Nicole, tracking down any positive cases that might pop up.
Contact tracing is really important because we need to know who's been around our children.
CDC guidelines say schools should notify local health officials and parents. So Tulsa Health Department is working to help districts do that.
We gave them the contact tracing guide in case they heard about cases from their staff before we did, but now we're caught up.
Nicole hopes that'll help the community slow the spread of the virus and help her family get back to normal.
So it'll take all of us. It'll take a community of us and all of us working together to make sure that we follow the guidelines immediately so that all of our kids can get back into the classroom, which is where they want to be.
Now, we reached out to over 7 different school districts about their current policy on reporting and contact tracing. We are waiting to hear back as the schools say they're all diligently working to figure out the new normal as school is set to start for many districts. So to help us out, we've actually put some of the policies that have been put on their website on our website, kjrh.com. In Tulsa, Dane Hawkins, 2 Works for You.